Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today, this is Camilla and this is my dad, and today we're going to draw the letter F.
The letter F. What does F stand for? Or what's it? What are the words on the letter F?
Fox, frog, and flower.
Alrighty. So what do we need? We need our markers. Any kind of markers. These are the Five Below markers. These are the Walmart markers.
And some paper.
And some paper. Alright, so we're going to get everything together and we're going to get started, right? Alright. So, are we ready? We have markers, paper, and more markers, color markers. Alright, so first we're going to draw the letter F. And the way we're going to do it is we're going to draw a line from here and we're going to go down just like that. Okay? Take our time. Make sure it's good. Remember, you could pause the video so you can slow us down. And then a line going that way. Now you have like half a square. And then you're going to do a little line like this. And then you're going to go back. And then we're going to go down a little bit. And then we're going to go out a little bit. Then we're going to go down. Then we're going to go back in, stop right here. And then we're going to go all the way down to right here. And then we're going to cross it off. Ta-da! But we don't just want an F. We want a what?
A 3D F.
A 3D F. So what we're going to do is this line here, we're going to go down a little bit. And then we're going to go down here. And then down here. And then down here. And then here. Now we can start connecting them. This line, we're going to go here and connect it here. And then this line, we're going to connect it here. And then this box, we're going to close it off. And then this line goes all the way to the top. Down, yeah. So now, our words, we're going to do flower. Because that's one of our first words, right? So the first word that we're going to do is flower. Now we're going to draw a circle. And then we're going to draw another circle here. And we'll draw one more circle up here. So then what we're going to do is we're going to draw the flower right here. Just like this. The petals of the flower. Boom, boom. And you could do them really close. You could do them far away. You could do as many petals as you want. There you go. And then we'll do the next one. Same way. Just follow the petals. And these are the flowers. And then you go over here. Make sure they don't cross over. Because they got to look like one flower's behind. The other one's in front. Just like that. See that? Done. Alright. Then we'll do the little stems. And then we'll do another stem. Right here. Whoa. Look at that. That's awesome. And then another little stem. And then we could even do a little leaf, just like that. And another little leaf. And then this one, we can put 2 leaves. Right there, just like that. There you go. And then we'll do a little smile. And the eyes. There you go. And then the little eyelashes. They're happy flowers. Yay, look, the happy flowers. Whoa. And this one's looking down at that one because these are taller flowers. And this one's looking down. So this is probably the mommy and the daddy and the baby flower. Whoa. Okay, good? Alrighty. Now, there's going to be a silly fox hanging out right here watching the flowers. So what we're going to do is we're going to start here. We'll put a line here and we'll go up like a bowl. Look at that. Just like that. Okay, now take our time. All right. Then this little line here is going to go like this. Just like that. Just a little bit. And then we're going to basically go up in a loop like that. Whoa. And then stop. All right. And then this will be an ear. And then we're going to come back down. And then close it. Yay! And then right here, we're going to do another little ear. Okay? And then right here, we're going to put 1 little dot, 2 little dots. And then right here, a smile. And then we're going to do the nose right here. All right. Now we're going to do the body. Just take a line straight down like that. And then you make a little line at the bottom. Then you go up. Then you go to the side. And then go down. And then to the side again. Go up. And then you slant this line down. And then down. And then you go to the side. And then you bring the body over like that. Bam! Look at that. Oh, there you go. And then let's make a tail for the fox. All right, now we got to write the words too, because we don't just want to do the drawing. We want to learn how to spell it. So we're going to go F-O-X, fox. And then the flowers, F-L-O-W-E-R-S, flowers.
There.
Yay, that's so nice. All right, what else do you want to draw on it?
A frog.
A frog. Okay, I got an idea. We're going to draw a little frog on top of the letter F. He's sitting on top of the letter F, like this. Ready? First, you're going to draw a leg. So we're going to go like this. Look, like that. It's like a number 9. Alrighty, and then we're going to come out of the number 9 and go straight out. And then drop it down like that. Yep, keep going. There you go. And then we're going to put the little feeties. And then we're going to go up like that and stop right there. Alrighty, and then you're going to do one bump, a little line, and then another little bump, and stop right there. And then we're going to go another bump forward like that. And then this line, we're going to come all the way down like that. Boom. It's okay. And then right here, we're going to do one little leg and then just like that. And then right here, we're going to do another little leg. It's okay. And then little eye, little eyes. And then right here, the smile with his tongue sticking out. Ha. Okay? There you go. And then now we're going to put frog. F-R-O-G. Frog. All right. Now that you have your letter and you have your words and you have your drawing, we need the color green. We need 2 different greens. We need a light green. I'm going to use these markers from Five Below. So we need a light green and then we're going to need a dark green. Okay? So what we're going to do is right here. Whoa, right here. Wait a minute. All right, hold on. I'm going to draw right here. You want to do the light color green.
Leg.
Huh?
Look, I made the face.
Oh my God, that's a beautiful face. I love it. So this right here, we're going to do the tummy of the frog, just like that. See that? You want to do a tummy of the frog. And it's going to be a different color. There you go. Look at that. Oh wait, I need to do my eyes. I forgot I need to do my eyes. Sorry, everybody. Let me get my eyes going. There you go. All right. Now that we got the first color, then we're going to come back with the darker green. And the darker green, that way you could see that it's a frog. See that? Whoa, that's pretty cool. Look, and then we're going to outline that color. And the frog is sitting on top of the F. Right?
Yep.
I wonder what the frog's thinking about. He's probably thinking about some yummy insects that he wants to eat. Or maybe he's thinking about brownies or chocolate chip cookies.
Or ice cream.
Or ice cream. All right.
Or a cupcake.
Or a cupcake. Oh my gosh. A cupcake would be delicious. All right. And then we want to do the red for the tongue. How do we do the red? Right here. Oh, we need the tongue right here. All right. Look at that. That's awesome. All right. Now for the fox, we need the light color. Okay. Which is, what color is this? It's the KB28. Right? And then what we're going to do is we're going to draw a little line from here. Just like that. To the front. Okay? And then that color right here is going to be the bottom of his mouth right there. Look at that. Oh, wow. That's awesome. Look.
There, I'm done.
Okay, hold on. I'm going. And then right here, we're going to draw half of the tail in the light color, just like that. All right. And then right here in front of the body, we're also going to do like a little loop like this. Okay. See that? And then we're going to draw this in the light color. All right. Now we need a darker brown. I'm going to use 95. What are you going to use?
I'm going to use 95 too.
Okay. And then now we're going to do the darker brown for the tail and the rest of the body. See? Whoa. Look at that. That's awesome. See? Nice. And then we do the top of the head. Oh, wait, I forgot. We need a little bit of pink for the ear. Right here, look, like this. Okay? Just for that one ear that you could see. And then now we can do the brown because now we did the ear. See?
And what about the other side?
You could do the other side if you want to. Whoa, look at that. All right, it's a fox. Alrighty, now for the flowers. We're gonna do the flowers. Let me see. We're gonna do this weird looking color right here for the front of this flower. Okay, what is this? This is number 14.
I'm doing these colors for the petals of the flowers.
For the petal of the flowers?
Yep.
Okay, I was gonna do this color for the center of the flowers, and then I was gonna do different flowers.
I'm going to do all the centers in yellow.
You're gonna do all the centers in yellow?
Yep.
Okay, go for it. It is your drawing. You can do it however you want. Remember, kids, do not be in a hurry. Have fun. So that's gonna be the center of my flowers, and then I'm gonna do a set of flowers and pink. Oh, the baby flower is gonna be pink. See that? So that one's pink. And then my next flower is going to be in yellow. Alrighty. And then my next flower, we're going to do it in purple. How's that? Is purple cool?
Yep.
Okay.
I'm almost done. There, I'm done.
Oh my
I'm
gosh.
not even quite done. I need to do a color in those leaves.
We need to do the green for the leaves, yeah. Alright, now we need to do the green for the leaves. I'm going to use this color. Or is that too light? Uh-oh, I think it's too light. Oh no, maybe it's good.
I'm doing this.
Which one?
I'm doing this one.
That one? Okay. I'm going to do this one. And then for the leaves, I'm going to do a different color. Or maybe I'll do this one too. Whoa, look. The flowers are awesome. Yay. Okay, now I'm going to use a little bit of this green. Okay. For the shadow. See? You want to do the little line in the middle of the flowers and then the little flower designs, the leaves. That way everybody knows that they're leaves. Look at that. You see that coming? Okay, make sure you put the little lines on the leaves and the little shadow. Little shadow, and little shadow. And then I'm going to do some grass. Just like that. Remember, you can just spiky grass and it'll look like grass. Okay? Very nice. Now, we need to paint the F. So, I think the way I'm going to do the F, we're going to use this one. What is this? The BK28. I'm going to use the BK28 to do this part of the F right here. See? This. Oh. Okay. Just like that. Right?
Yep. I'm finished with it.
Oh my gosh, look at that. Alrighty, and then the center, we're gonna do it in yellow. Okay, like here. F. Keep this part here. Alright, there it is. Now we have
Letter F.
the letter F. Alright. So the letter F is?
It's for flowers, frog, and fox.
Oh my gosh, it's beautiful, huh?
Yeah.
Alrighty.
Alright, we finished the letter F.
Alright. Now, we got our letter F. What's F for?
Fox, flowers, and frog.
Exactly. Alright, so make sure to subscribe
And hit the notification bell.
so you don't miss another video. And on our next video, we're going to draw what?
A monster ice cream.
Monster ice cream. Oh my gosh. What do monster ice creams eat? I don't know. We'll find out. Alright, thanks for watching.